Hello everyone, my name is R. Veeraputran. I am from Coimbatore. I was studying in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Currently doing my BCom CA final year. Today I am going to talk about audit process. Introduction. The case Western Reserve's Board of Trustees and Management place assets at risk to achieve established priorities and goals. A key function of the Office of Internal Audit Service is to understand, audit, and report to management and the Board of Trustees how that risk is being managed, knowing what areas to audit and where to commit resources in an integral part of managing the internal audit function. Preparing for an audit. Preparing for an audit, have all requested materials, records ready when requested, organize files so we minimize disruption of your day, provide complete files, please make yourself available during the time of the audit and communicate any planned absence, provide workspace for auditors if requested. Auditing process. Process includes 9 steps. Step 1, planning. The auditor will review prior audits in your area and professional literature. The auditor will also research applicable policies and statutes and prepare a basic audit program to follow. Step 2, notification. The Office of Internal Audit Service will notify the appropriate department or department professional regarding the upcoming audit and its purpose, at which time an opening meeting will be scheduled. Step 3, opening meeting. This meeting will include management and any administrative personnel involved in the audit. The audit purpose and objective will be discussed as well as the audit program. The audit program may be adjusted based on information obtained during this meeting. Step 4, field work. This step includes the testing to be performed as well as interviews with appropriate department personnel. Step 5, reporting drafting. After the fieldwork is completed, a report is drafted. The report includes such areas as the objective and scope of the audit, relevant background and findings, and recommendations for correction or improvement. Step 6, management response. A draft audit report will be submitted to the management of the audited area for their review and responses to recommendations. Management response should include their action plan for correction. Step 7, closing meeting. This meeting is held with the department management. The audit report and management response will be reviewed and discussed. This is the time for questions and clarifications. Results of other audit procedures not discussed in the final report will be communicated at this meeting. Step 8, final audit report distribution. After the closing meeting, the final audit report with management response is distributed to department personnel involved in the audit, the president, provost, and the chief financial officer and CWRU external accounting firm. Step 9, follow up. Approximately 6 months after the audit report is issued, the Office of Internal Audit Service will perform a follow up review. The purpose of this review is conclude whether or not the corrective actions were implemented. Thank you.